The only people who don't want to disclose the truth are people with something to hide.
John King, USA, CNN, weeknights 7 Eastern.
On ABC's Good Morning America today, George Stephanopoulos asked the Minnesota Congresswoman and Tea Party favorite Michelle Bachmann if she believes President Obama is a Christian and was born here in the United States. Listen carefully.
Well, that isn't for me to state. That's for the president to state. And I think that when the president makes his statements, I think they need to stand for their own.
But he has said it very clearly. I'm just asking if you believe it.
Well, I think we should take the president at his word.
If seeing is believing, I'm going to hold this up one more time. This is the president's birth certificate. It says he was born in Hawaii. It lists his mother's name and his father's name, and it lists his date of birth and where he was born. This is an official government document we're showing to you there in a clearer form from the state of Hawaii. If you can come back to me for 1 second, I'll also show you these clever people who fabricated Barack Obama's birth also were able to put a notice in the newspaper, the Honolulu Advertiser, saying that he was born that day. He was born in the United States of America, in Hawaii. We at CNN have looked into this. I'm not sure why we've spent so much time looking into it, but we have because it keeps coming up. And my question is, why? So let's ask Republican Ed Rollins and John Avlon. They join us from New York, and Cornell Belcher is a Democrat here in Washington. Ed Rollins, I'm going to start with you first. And what I'm going to first, I want to play this because there are people who are too playful with this, in my opinion. They're just too playful with this, and I can't quite understand why. I want to play here a conservative. We could have a debate about his views on spending. We could have a debate about his views on immigration. But Jeff Flake asked point blank about the birther controversy. Here's his answer.
If you want pushback, I'll give it right now. Barack Obama is a citizen of the country. We ought to get off this kick. And there are plenty of differences we have with the president between Republicans and Democrats than to spend time on something like this.
Why can't Michelle Bachmann give that answer? Eric Cantor, the majority leader, was on Meet the Press recently. He wouldn't answer this question. They know he was born in Hawaii. Why can't they just say it?
Well, I wish they would. I wish we'd get past this thing. I think it got started up again when the new governor of Hawaii said, I'm going to go out and prove that he was born in Hawaii. I was there when he was born. I knew his parents. I'm going to produce the certificate, and he couldn't. That started the whole round again. I have never had any doubts that he was an American citizen and could care. I mean, at the end of the day, I care about his policies. I care about things that are going on. Even if we had evidence that he wasn't a citizen, what are we going to do? He's the President of the United States. Let's move forward.
Why don't, and I am not a birther, I am an enemy of the birthers. This is an actual birth certificate, a long-form certificate of live birth in the state of Hawaii. This, on the other hand, is what they release generally to the public, a thinner form. I'm not sure if it has less information, but it's digital, of course. Doesn't have signatures on it. And to the birthers is evidence he really ain't one of us. Clarence, is this going to help if we get more documentation? And second question, why has the president himself not demanded that they put out the initial documents? Some of us have in our possession at home somewhere, I have one in the office here, an actual copy of one of these birth certificates as described here. It has a picture of Nazareth Hospital in Northeast Philly and Roosevelt Boulevard. It has the name of Dr. Aladdin, I believe we knew him. And it's got witnesses and my parents' names, all sort of old school, written out in handwriting with ink and everything on it. It looks like an old document. But if you, like the letters of transit in Casablanca. Exactly. Now you have the new kind, which is this digital thing printed out. Right. The president has produced this new kind. It's been fine for him. Newfangled. But it's not fine for the... There it is. That's what he has. Right, right. Well, he doesn't have the other kind of parent.
The only people who don't want to disclose the truth are people with something to hide.